Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a bad watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store, and you know it. Yes, this one's free for the taking. Now, I need for you to download ASAP because I do not know how long this one is going to be free. The name of the watch face is called AWF Tactical. Now, I like this one. I think it's a weekend wear. I think it's one of those watch faces you wear when you're out on a run or a walk, or you could simply wear this through the work week. I think the design on this one is really nice. The developer did an awesome job with this one. It really stands out. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gear 3, and I really like that look in the AOD mode compared to what you're going to see on the Gear S2. Now, both watch faces are going to give you your digital time at a glance with no problem, and that's all that matters. Now, once the watch face is on, again, I like the whole look. I like the theme of it all. I really like the heart rate gauge. It looks nice to me, right? And also, you're going to get your steps up at the top. You're going to come down. You're going to get your battery info. And for whatever reason, I love stacked digital time. I thought this was a good look. And you're also going to get, in between it, your month, and you're also going to get your date. Now, it is interactive as well, which makes this a must download considering that the watch face is free. Now, I'm going to tap here and I can pull up my alarm. I can also tap here, of course, and go and get my S health status. And also, if I want to, I can go in and get my battery info. So definitely, we also know that's a good look, but check this out. If I double tap right here, I can change the color of the time, which I thought was super awesome. And yeah, you could change this to many different colors. Let's see if I can double tap on the right. And it got different shades of colors too. Just got to continue to double tap. And also, if I double tap in the center, I can change and customize the color theme of the gauge and also your step info as well. Let's cycle through to give you an idea, because it goes through so many shades and colors that you can change. And that's it, you all. I thought this was definitely a nice download for a free watch face. But again, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And if it's a download, or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.